Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall Autodesk along with its products in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, we need to uninstall it from the control panel. So for that, just go to search and type control. We'll be having the control panel system. Open it and here click on programs and select programs and features, and here just search for auto. So we are having these many products related to Autodesk. So simply what you can do is just start right clicking over it and select uninstall. Do the same for everything and click on yes. So this will take quite some time for each application, so just be patient and do it. And if you are facing any issues when trying to uninstall through control panel, you can just go to search and type apps. You will be having apps and features. Open it and here we'll be having search this list. Just search for auto, and similar to that we'll be having the apps, so you can just click it and click on uninstall. Click it. So after uninstalling everything, you won't be having anything from Autodesk. And now if you go to control panel and just refresh it, as you can see here, everything related to Autodesk has been uninstalled. So now that we have uninstalled from the programs, we need to also delete some folders. So for that, just go inside File Explorer and go to this PC, your local disk C, and here we can see I'm having a folder named Autodesk. Just delete this. That is done. And also check every folder. Inside program files, I'm having Autodesk. Delete that too. And if you are getting any errors like this, just go to Task Manager, go to Processes, and check if you're having any apps related to Autodesk that are already opened, like that were opened at the time of uninstalling. So as you can see, this app doesn't do anything. It's not even like occupying anything, the disk or the network, but it's still opened. So we can simply select this and end task. So that's gone now, and this one also, end task it. It's also gone. So now close it, and if I click on try again, that particular folder will be gone. And in the same program files, we will be having this common files, and here we are having another folder, Autodesk and Autodesk shared, and just delete it. And now just go back again. We need to make sure that we are opening the program data folder, which is actually a hidden folder. So to view the hidden folder, just click on view on top and check this hidden items. So we are having this program data, and here we are having Autodesk. Delete this. So now just go to search and type for run and open this run system thing that we are having, and here just type %app data % and click on OK. So we will be directly taken to app data roaming folder, and here you can see I'm having a folder Autodesk. Delete this, and next just go back by clicking on this app data. Go inside this local low. We don't have any Autodesk, that's fine. And next go to into this local, and here we are having a folder named Autodesk. Delete this. Again go to search and search for run. Open it, and this time just type REGEDIT. okay, you just need to type it in caps and click on OK. Select yes. So we will be getting this registry editor. So here we need to go inside two things. One is current user and local machine. So go here, go inside software, and here we are having a folder named Autodesk. So you can simply right click it and delete it. So be careful over here. Make sure that you are only deleting Autodesk folder. Click on yes, and that is gone. And next, for the local machine also, expand it. Expand software, Autodesk folder, right click on it and delete it. Select yes. And again inside this local machine software, if you just scroll down, we'll be having this wow 6432 node. Expand this, and here also we are having a Autodesk folder, so delete this also. Now again go to search and again open run, and this time just type %temp %, and we'll be having a lot of temp folders and files opened here. Just select Ctrl A and click on delete. So if you get any error message saying this particular file cannot be deleted because your particular app is opened, so you can just skip it, okay, because this is coming from my Brave browser, so you can just skip it. Let's go to recycle bin and empty everything. So you can just go here and empty the bin. Yep, that's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.